Welcome everybody to this new video of TechExpress. So if you know that the 7% of the actual shoppers abandon the cart at the checkout, usually it's because the page is slow or looks untrustworthy. So let's see how we can actually change that. There's an actual auto-generated element, which is my favorite and can be really helpful for those who don't use a lot of WordPress and just wanted to get started really fast. If you install the WooCommerce, for example, and your page are missing, you don't panic because you don't have to build them by hand. So for this, I wanted to go directly to my WooCommerce status, and usually what I go here is to focus, for example, for my tools. So here into my tools, I wanted to find the element that says create default WooCommerce pages and click into the option that says create. So here I have the tool will install all the missing WooCommerce pages pages already defined and set up will now be replaced. So go for the option that says create the pages, hit for the element that says create, and there we go. This instantly creates the 4 essential pages with the correct short codes already inside, and they will work immediately, but they will look a little bit basic. So to fix that, usually, for example, to fix this, I want to make sure that the allow here is already been enabled. So now I have the import plugin now to set up the site and have it to my actual light preview. To fix this, for example, is that we wanted to focus into the instant elements, which is the modern cart blocks. Now, basically here, what I wanted to be doing here is to find the work immediately here with the cart block, which is open my cart page directly into my appearance. I wanted to focus for my pages to check out all my pages, and here I wanted to see that the new cart page, here it is. So I wanted to replacing the old WooCommerce cart shortcode with the cart block. You can delete the old text and add the cart block, which appears directly inside here. So just type into the word that says cart. We already have the actual cart blocks, so as you can see here, it actually is. It doesn't look that bad. So this gives you real-time sidebar where the customers can see their total changes as they add or remove items. On the right side settings, you want to make sure to enable the shipping calculator and apply the coupon fields. This keeps the customer on the page instead of making them hunt for a coupon box. So now for the money maker, the checkout page, delete the old shortcut and the checkout block. This is, for example, for the money maker. The checkout page, you might be telling that. Now this new block allows you for the 2 columns layout. The customer info is to the left and the order summary is in the sticky into the actual right, which I think is going to be really, really great. Now a pro tip is that you can go to the block settings and hide the additional information if you don't need it. The fewer fields a customer has to fill out, the more likely they are to finish the actual purchase. So I make sure that I just look out for the option that says save. And we needed to make sure that the WordPress knows these are the official pages, because back directly inside my WordPress into the official pages into the advanced tab, which in my case will be something like this. Make sure that here the cart page and the checkout page match the ones which is edited. So this would be, let's say, for example, like the new versions, you might be saying. Now before we go, you want to always test a test cart, go through the entire flow. If you get redirected to the auto receipt page, your setup is actually perfect. If not, we might need to change a few elements there. So your checkout is now modern, mobile, responsive, and ready to take your actual orders. With this being said, guys, we have now reached the very end of the video. Now don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools like this. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. If you have any questions, you can let me know into the comments below, of course, and well, hopefully we can all see you next time.